Let's practice making questions. She is a secretary. She is positive. Make a question, switch. Is she? Make a question for profession.
Is she a secretary?
Yes, she is. Make a question with profession. Yes, she is a secretary. Make a question with description. Busy.
Is she busy?
Yes, she is. Make a question with description. Busy. Yes, she is. Make a question with location.
Is she at work?
Yes, she is at work. Make a question for location. Yes, she is. Make a question with age, years.
How old is she?
She's 39. Make a question with years. She's 39. Make a question with continuous action, question for activity, doing.
What is she doing?
She is working. Make a question with doing. She is working. Other continuous action, answering the phone. Make a question.
Is she answering the phone?
Yes, she is. Make a question answering the phone. Yes, she is. Let's practice making questions. Is she? Question for profession.
Is she a cook?
Yes, she's a cook. Make a question with profession. Yes, she is. Make a question with description. Busy?
Is she busy?
Yes, she is. Make a question, busy. Yes, she is. Make a question for location. Where?
Where is she?
She's at work. Make a question, where? She's at work. Make a question for years.
How old is she?
She's 25. Make a question for years. She's 25. Continuous action. Cooking. Make a question.
Is she cooking?
Yes, she's cooking. Make a question, cooking. Yes, she's cooking. Let's practice questions. Positive, he is. He is a construction worker. Make a question, switch. Is he? Make a question for profession.
Is he a construction worker?
Yes, he is. Make a question for profession. Yes, he is. Make a question with description. Happy?
Is he happy?
Yes, he is. Make a question, happy. Yes, he is. Question for location.
Where is he?
He's at work. Make a question for location. He's at work. Question for years.
How old is he?
He's 28. Make a question for years. He's 28. Continuous action. Make a question with a continuous action.
Is he working?
Yes, he is. Make a question with working. Yes, he is. Let's practice. Question for profession.
Is he a dentist?
Yes, he is. Make a question with profession. Yes, he is. Make a question with description.
Is he busy?
Yes, he is busy. Make a question with description. Yes, he's busy. Question for location.
Where is he?
He's at work. Make a question for location. He's at work. Question for years.
How old is he?
He's 52. Make a question for years. He's 52. Make a question with a continuous action.
Is he working?
Yes, he's working today. Make a question with working. Very good. Let's practice questions. He is an electrician. He is, switch. Is he? Make a question for profession.
Is he an electrician?
Yes, he is an electrician. Make a question with profession. Yes, he is. Question for description.
Is he busy?
Yes, he is busy. Make a question with description. Yes, he is. Question for location.
Is he at work?
Yes, he is at work. Make a question for location. Yes, he is. Question for years.
How old is he?
He's 38. Make a question for years. He's 38. Question with a continuous action.
Is he working?
Yes, he is working. Make a question with a continuous action. Yes, he is working today. Let's practice questions with they are. They are positive. Make a question. Switch. Are they? Question for a person. Grandparents. Make a question.
Are they grandparents?
Yes, they are grandparents. Make a question. Grandparents. Yes, they are. Description. Make a question with excited.
Are they excited?
Yes, they are excited. Make a question. Excited. Yes, they are. Question for location. Where?
Where are they?
They are at home. Make a question with where. They are at home. Question for years.
How old are they?
He is 60 and she is 62. Continuous action. Doing. Make a question.
What are they doing?
They are coming for dinner. Make a question for doing. They are coming for dinner. Having dinner. Make a question.
Are they having dinner?
Yes, they are having dinner. Having dinner. Make a question. Yes, they are. Very good. Let's practice question. They are. Question. Switch. Are they? Make a question with person. Children.
Are they children?
Yes, they are children. Make a question. Children. Yes, they are children. Question. Description. Busy.
Are they busy?
Yes, they are busy. Busy. Make a question. Yes, they are. Location. Question. Where?
Where are they?
They are at home. Make a question. Where? They're at home. Question for years. How old?
How old are they?
He is 10, he is 8, and she is 6. Make a question. How old? He is 10, she is 8, she is 6. Make a question with continuous action. Cleaning the house.
Are they cleaning the house now?
Yes, they are. Make a question. Cleaning the house. Yes, they are. Let's practice. Question. Are they? Question for description. Happy?
Are they happy?
Yes, they are happy. Question. Busy?
Are they busy?
Very good. Yes, they're busy. Make a question. Happy? Yes, they are happy. Make a question. Busy? Yes, they're busy. Make a question with location. Where?
Where are they?
They're in the yard. Make a question for location. They're in the yard. Question with continuous action. Working in the yard? Make a question.
Are they working in the yard?
Yes, they are. Working in the yard. Make a question. Yes, they are. Good job. Let's practice questions. Are they? Make a question. Happy?
Are they happy?
Yes, they're happy. Make a question. Happy? Yes, they're happy. Make a question with a location. Where?
Where are they?
They're at home. Make a question with where? They're at home. Make a question with a continuous action. Doing.
What are they doing?
They're watching TV. Make a question with doing. They're watching TV. Question. Hanging out?
Are they hanging out?
Yes, they're hanging out. Make a question. Hanging out. Yes, they are. Question. Having fun?
Are they having fun?
Yes, they're having fun. Make a question. Having fun. Yes, they are. Good job.